Today, we're going to be talking about the 7 most profitable ways to invest $1,000. So if you're just getting started in investing and you only have $1,000, you want to stick around to the end so you can see some of these ways. You may hear some sounds in the background of children yelling. My daughters are having a sleepover swim party today, and they're right out by the pool, so I'm in my room trying to do a quiet little video and get something recorded. The first thing you can do, if you only have $1,000, now this one's not the most sexy, but pay off debt.
Pay off debt.
You know, it's like the least risky thing you can do. If you have debt, consumer debt, you're going to be paying interest. And the best thing you can do is start paying off debt. You know you're going to get a return, and you know that your money's not going to disappear. Some of the other investment strategies that I'm going to go over, you could lose your money, but not so if you're paying off debt. Number 2, you can flip some stuff on Facebook Marketplace. We sell stuff all the time that we have, and then we upgrade, or we get something new, or we just want to change some things around, and my wife says get rid of this, and we sell it. And it usually, if you have the price right, you're going to sell it in just a couple days if there's an active community in your Facebook area. So check out the Facebook Marketplace. Now the other thing you could do with the $1,000 is you could start buying some stuff and flipping them. So look for good deals, something that you're comfortable with, whether it's electronics, furniture, you know, you got to be able to move it, you got to be able to store it, that kind of stuff. But buy something at a discount and flip it up. See if you can turn $1,000 into $2,000. The third thing is something that you might not think about, and that is invest in yourself. Invest in a course. I've taken many courses in my lifetime. I've taken land flipping courses, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. I've taken affiliate courses. I've taken online marketing courses, all kinds of courses. But if you take the right course from the right person and you learn some skills for $1,000, you develop that skill, and then you're in business and you can make money over and over and over again. So don't be scared to invest in a course. Just make sure that the person that you're learning from knows what they're talking about. All right, another thing that you can do, if you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button. That'll help me out as I grow this channel. And also, if you like learning about money and finance, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. All right, another thing that you can do is you can buy gold or silver. Now, a lot of people think that silver is undervalued right now. Either way, gold or silver historically has always kept up with inflation. It's kept up with the market. Sometimes it's outperformed the market. It's going to go up. Gold and silver are a commodity that's going to go up. Now, if you're worried about inflation, check out my inflation video. I'll put a link up here, and I'll put a link in the description. I have a couple inflation videos, but you can learn how you can protect yourself during inflation. If that's something that you're worried about that's coming, which I believe that it is, you wouldn't be bad to invest in gold and silver. I get all my silver from APMEX. I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's APMEX, and I'll put a link in the description for that as well. All right, so I couldn't talk about gold and silver without talking about APMEX. That's where I get my gold and silver, and it comes in a box like this, and they ship it right to your house, which I was a little concerned about it, but they ship it very discreetly so nobody knows what it is. They have, you know, coins. This is a little golden American Eagle. You can get them in 10 ounce. I like the bars, but you can get silver coins. They have a little bit of everything. I like the 10 ounce bars and the 1 ounce bars. Like I said, it comes in this package. And these are the 1 ounce bars of silver. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an idea of how they ship it and how it comes. So if you want to order any, I'll put a link in the description. I don't think there's any kind of affiliate thing or anything with it. If you order from them, you know you're getting good gold and silver. Oh, the other thing, this is one of my favorite, especially if you're just getting started in investing. You open a online securities account, a brokerage account, but you want to open a Roth IRA. So what is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA means that you already paid taxes on it. As long as you don't take it out until retirement, you can grow that as big as you want to grow it. In fact, there's been talk about getting rid of the Roth IRAs because it's a relatively new thing, and some people have been able to take their Roth and turn it into billions of dollars, and it's all tax-free. So a Roth IRA, in fact, I would say if you're going to open an investing account of any sort, and you don't have one, the very first one you should start with is a Roth IRA. Now there's a couple rules and regulations. You can only put in so much every year. But if you have $1,000, that's a very good place to start. It's a good place to start learning how to trade and how to invest. All right, the next two are two of my favorites that I do all the time. The first one is stacked affiliate marketing. It's like traditional affiliate marketing, but it stacks on top of each other. So here's how it works. You're going to get involved in a stacked affiliate marketing company, which means you have to buy product to be in business, just like any other business, traditional business that you would be in. Product gets shipped to you, you can use it, consume it, sell it, whatever you want to do. But the key with stacked affiliate marketing is it works kind of like a brokerage account for real estate. So if you ever have a realtor, right above them is a broker, and the broker gets a portion of the money generated by the realtors, right? So if they have multiple brokerages, then they have multiple realtors that they get paid on. That's how stacked affiliate marketing is. So if I have a widget and I sell that widget to Johnny, I get a commission. If Johnny decides he wants to sell the widget and he sells it to Jimbo, he gets a commission and I get a commission because I launched Johnny into the stacked affiliate marketing program. It's a little bit more complicated than that, but it's a whole lot bigger than that because you can do that tens, hundreds, thousands of times over and over, and it grows organically. So if that's something that you're interested in, I'll put a link in the description. You can check that out. Now for one way that has helped me make hundreds of thousands of dollars, or at least over 100,000. I started with $1,000 and I started flipping land. That's right, land, not houses. I didn't do anything to the land. I just found a deal. You know, if you find a piece of land worth $5,000 that the owner wants to unload because they're tired of paying taxes on it, and they bought it 20 years ago thinking they were going to build on it, and they've let that dream go, you might be able to pick it up for $1,000 or $2,000. So let's just say you pick it up for $1,000, you sell it for $5,000, you just made $4,000, and that, my friend, is just about what my first land deal looked like. I bought it for almost $1,000, I sold it for $5,000, and I thought this cannot be happening. Then I did it again, and then I did it again, and I realized it wasn't a fluke. And eventually I took my $1,000 and I scaled it all the way up and made over $100,000 off that $1,000. If you'd like to see how I do that, check out this next video where I go over everything and how that all came to fruition. Make sure you hit that like button. It'll help me grow my channel, and thank you for watching. God bless.